Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix black screen during a call on your iPhone 17. If you like to fix the black screen during a call, which sometimes may happen, you need to know that black screen occurs when your proximity sensor, which is somewhere around the top of the iPhone, is covered, because a proximity sensor measures the proximity, as the name suggests, and if something is close, potentially your ear or your cheek is close to the phone, then the screen goes off, so it's just not interrupting you, and also the touch capacities go off, so you're not accidentally touching the phone with your face, and you don't end the call accidentally that way. So this is something to have in mind, and the first thing to do is to clean your phone's screen and everything around the screen with a microfiber cloth, to make sure that your proximity sensor is detecting everything properly. Another thing is, if your phone's screen protector that you may have installed is broken around the area of the proximity sensor, around the dynamic island, then it may make it not function properly. So you may want to either take off your screen protector, or the better thing to do is to replace it with a new one. So it's still covering your screen, but you just have a new one, so it does not interrupt with that. So that's worth having in mind. Now, if all these didn't help, then you should try restarting your iPhone. We're gonna do a force restart. To do it, shortly press on volume up, then shortly press on volume down, then press and hold on the side button until the screen goes off. You can see it says slide to power off, but I don't care about it. I'm just gonna keep on holding. Now I can release and wait until it turns on. The Apple logo will show up shortly, as you can see right now, or maybe not yet. Let's wait. Okay, there's still no Apple Watch logo, which I would expect currently. That's weird. I'm gonna try pressing and holding on the side button, but yeah, okay. And let's just wait until the screen goes on again. Okay, now the iPhone is on. See if it's working. If it's still not working, then you should test whether it's the proximity sensor. If you can, of course. So I'm just gonna make a call to myself to demonstrate all of that. Let's do it. Okay. Now I'm making that call. I'm gonna answer it. I'm gonna mute myself so it doesn't interrupt. And now if I go to the call, if I cover the top, you can see the screen goes off. So if you can do that test, then try seeing it, and you'll now know that it's the proximity sensor that may be malfunctioning. If, for example, after covering, the screen doesn't go off, of course you may need to wait a moment, and you may need to cover it with your palm to make sure, or after releasing it, the screen doesn't go back. But if it's constantly off, or even if it's not working sometimes, you should still go to the settings, go to general, go to software update, and if there is any update available, make sure to install it. It may fix some issues, some software issues with your phone. Now, if none of this helped, you should get to some Apple authorized service repair to get it fixed. Maybe you just need to have your proximity sensor replaced. It may be a little pricey because I'm not really sure, but as far as I'm concerned, it requires to replace the full Face ID module, which gets quite pricey, but this is, I think, the only option to fix it. So I hope that the video was helpful. By the way, if you want to hang up during a call that you can't see the screen on, then I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna make the call again. Now, if I want to hang up, no matter whether the screen is on or off, I can click on the side button to hang up. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.